Here we go. Have a good day to all of you out there. And today I'm going to have this haircut tutorial. So here's my razor. It's an old razor. A 7-year-old razor. See? So now today I will show you. So what's unlearned? Alright, here we go. Still sharp. Okay, my friends. So here, look. Some part of this razor already broken, but the blade's still okay. Still sharp. So no need to go to barber shop. It's up to you. Okay, if you feel like tired, so no problem. Just go straight to barber shop. But for me, look, see. Look at me, how I cut my hair. See, so this side, look at that. See, just like that. Be patient of cutting your hair. Alright, here we go. Alright. See. So, I don't know how much payment for barber or when you go to barber shop, I don't know how much is the amount or price today. Okay, here, see, look. See, that's it. So be patient, my friends. Cut, see. Look. Alright. So, for 7 years, this is my activity. So I'm not going to barber shop or asking somebody to cut my hair, but see, look, that's the style. See, this is the secret. So from the back. Alright, okay, come on. Okay, yep. Don't watch my underarm. But actually that's white underarm. Okay, enjoy. At least you can see the technique. How to cut your hair. See, so that just okay, so from side, then right now we're cutting the back side of my head, right? So here, that's it. See, almost. Okay, so there's part here, back side, right? See, so facing down. Okay, turn your razor facing down. Alright, so that's the secret. Ouch. Yeah. At first, maybe, right? So, at first you would experience like, at first, so hard. My first experience of cutting my hair, very hard. Okay, so that's the style. Okay, your hand, your left hand is your control. That's it. So I'm now finishing my. I think it's okay now. It's now balance. See. Here we go. Okay. So this is it. I hope that you learned something from my tutorial. Sit, then check. You can use 2 mirrors if you want, but at first, of course. But later on, it's easy to cut. See, look that side. See, that side. Alright, so here, this side. Okay, so I think that's the part that's the most part to, and then at the back like this. See? So sometimes some people has like different style. When you look at the back side, the direction here is different. Sometimes going up, and then sometimes going down. So for me, yeah. So that one, I think 0 actually. Setting your razor to 0 is easy. Okay. So it's up to you if you wanna set your razor. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching my presentation, my tutorial. And please subscribe my channel, Adventure Style. See you until next time. Thank you, thank you.